Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, October 6th, 2025, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes reached new milestones today. The S&P 500 index rose 24.51 points to 6,740.29, marking its seventh consecutive up day. The Nasdaq Composite advanced 161 points to 22,941, while the Russell 2000 added nearly 10 points to 2,486. Market breadth showed mixed signals. The Nasdaq Composite saw positive breadth with 1,678 advances versus 1,434 declines. However, the Russell 2000 showed more declines than advances, despite hitting new highs with 864 stocks up versus 1,044 down. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq Composite leads with a month-to-date gain of 1.24%. The Russell 2000 follows at 2.03%, while the S&P 500 shows a more modest 0.77% advance this month. Among sectors, consumer cyclicals led gainers, up 1% to 1,922. Utilities followed with a 0.97% gain, reaching new highs. Technology also hit fresh records, rising 0.56% to 5,693. On the downside, real estate fell nearly 1% after breaking down from sideways movement. Consumer defensives dropped 0.59%, marking their fourth straight decline amid increased volatility. Global markets saw strong gains, led by Japan rising 1.8% to record levels. South Korea continued its winning streak, up 1.1% for its fourth consecutive record close. On a month-to-date basis, South Korea leads with a 5.8% gain, while Japan has advanced 3.8%. Year-to-date, South Korea's impressive 66.6% return stands out among global markets. Major tech stocks showed mixed performance today. Alphabet led the pack, rising 2% to 251.51, marking its fourth consecutive positive close. NVIDIA and Apple both declined despite maintaining very strong positive trends. Meta platforms experienced notable downward volatility, while Amazon traded in a relatively flat pattern.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 125,274, up 1,753, showing a very strong upward trend with 6 consecutive rising days. Ethereum and BNB are both displaying notable gains, with BNB showing particularly strong upward volatility. Solana has broken out from recent consolidation, while Dogecoin is up 6.2%. Looking at returns, BNB leads the pack with a 21% gain month to date and an impressive 74.5% return year to date. Ethereum and Solana both show strong momentum with double-digit month-to-date returns. Dogecoin is the only one showing negative year-to-date performance at minus 14.8%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback shows mixed performance against major currencies. The dollar strengthened against the euro and yen, with the yen pair notably maintaining a very strong positive trend. However, the dollar weakened against the pound sterling, Swiss franc, and Aussie dollar, with the latter marking 3 consecutive days of decline.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.